Hey everyone, remember when we sat in class wondering, when will I ever use this in real life? Well, surprise, those useless lessons actually make a lot of sense now. Let's go through 20 things we thought were pointless in school, but now, they're kinda important. Get ready to laugh and regret skipping class. 1. Taxes and interest rates. We ignored these lessons because, well, who cared about taxes when we didn't even have pocket money? Fast forward to today and bam, every paycheck gets eaten up by taxes and we finally understand why interest rates decide whether we live rich or broke. 1. Time management. In school we crammed assignments at the last minute, thinking deadlines were just teachers' torture tactics. Now if you miss a deadline at work, congratulations, you're unemployed. 1. Writing formal letters and emails. Dear sir, madam, I would like to... Wait, wasn't this just a school formality? Now every job, every application, every complaint to customer service requires a professional email, and if you start with bro, I need help, you won't get a reply. 1. Public speaking and debates. In school we hated standing in front of the class and stuttering through speeches. Now, every job interview, business meeting, and even asking for a raise feels like an oral exam. 1. Personal finance and budgeting. School taught us how to calculate X in math, but never how to calculate how long will my salary last. Turns out knowing how to manage money is more useful than solving equations, but here we are, broke and confused. 1. First aid CPR lessons in school, who needed that? Until someone actually chokes in front of you and suddenly, you wish you paid attention instead of laughing at the dummy. 1. Human anatomy. We thought learning about bones and muscles was useless, but now every time something hurts we Google, why is my back in pain at 25? 2. Logical reasoning and puzzles. We solved puzzles in school like it was a game, but guess what? Job interviews love giving us those same tricky problems. And suddenly we realize logic actually matters. 1. Probability and statistics. We thought statistics were just numbers on paper, until we started checking weather forecasts and stock markets. 2. Teamwork in group projects in school. One person did everything, one disappeared, one copied, and one took credit. Fast forward to the workplace, same thing, but now, it's called team collaboration. 1. Photosynthesis. We thought plants making food was irrelevant, until we started hearing about climate change and deforestation. Turns out, plants are the reason we're still breathing. 1. Balanced diet and nutrition. We ignored nutrition lessons and ate junk food daily. Now, we regret every burger and pizza when our stomach starts acting like a chemistry lab. 1. Gravity and motion. We thought Newton's laws were just for scientists, until we slipped on a wet floor and remembered every action has an equal and opposite reaction, also known as pain. 2. Handwriting and cursive writing. Teachers forced us to practice neat handwriting and we thought, who needs this? Now, we struggle to read our own notes like it's ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs. 1. Pythagoras' theorem. We laughed at it, until we realized engineers and architects actually use it to build houses, bridges, and roads. 2. Basic geography. Why did we need to know about countries and capitals? Until we started traveling and realized, wait, where is Switzerland on the map? 1. Civic rights and duties. We thought learning about voting and government was boring, until election season came and we had no clue who to vote for. 2. History lessons. We memorized dates and wars thinking who cares about old stuff. But now history repeats itself and suddenly we understand why politics and world events feel like deja vu. 1. Conversions, meters to feet, kg to pounds, etc. We thought unit conversions were pointless. Then we traveled abroad and suddenly struggled to figure out our weight and height. 1. Mental math. We relied on calculators, but now, when we are in a shop and the shopkeeper gives us the return or the total, we look like a joker when we're confused or start calculating simple numbers using our phones. So next time you think a school lesson is useless, think again, because someday it might just save your job, your health, or even your life. Which one of these lessons do you regret ignoring the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.